Hello YouTube friends, wherever you are, see you again, Mr. Berry Man Khan, from Eastern Indonesia. In this video, I will provide information about the identification of one of the plants, which is around us, a unique and fascinating wild plant. His name, Indian mulberry, in Indonesia is known as Noni. However, before I continue, for YouTube friends who have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel first, so that my channel can develop and be useful. Go ahead, watch the video. This plant name is Indian mulberry. The common name are cheese fruit, Noni, great morinda, beach mulberry. Description: Indian mulberry, Morinda citrifolia, is a tree in the coffee family. It produces a fruit with an odor similar to vomit, making it a famine food in some areas and a delicacy in others. It grows both flowers and fruit all year. Characteristics: plant type, tree lifespan, perennial bloom time, all year around plant height, 3-5 meter spread, 2.5-4.5 meter flower size, 1.52 centimeter habitat, forests. Conditions requirement: sunlight, full sun hardiness zones, 10-12 soil, clay, loam, sand, well drained, neutral. Care guide: fertilization once a month during the growing season. Pruning: trim the diseased, withered leaves once a month. Planting time spring, harvest time, all year around. Propagation: scientific classification: genus, Morinda, family, Rubiaceae, madder, bedstraw, coffee, order, gentianales, gentians, dogbanes, madders, and allies. Class, Magnoliopsida, dicotyledons, dicots, eudicots. Phylum, Tracheophyta, vascular plants, seed plants, ferns, tracheophytes.
Does Indian mulberry have a smell?
It produces a fruit with an odor similar to vomit.
How tall is Indian mulberry?
10 to 18 feet.
What is Indian mulberry good for?
It is customarily regarded as a famine food as well as an important source of dye in Austronesian cultures.
Where does Indian mulberry grow?
Indian mulberry grows in shady forests, as well as on rocky or sandy shores.
Is Indian mulberry drought tolerant?
Yes, Indian mulberry is drought tolerant.
How fast does Indian mulberry grow?
A fast-growing species, Indian mulberry may grow as quickly as 4 feet per year in its youth. Thus the information about the identification of one of the plants, which are around us, a wild plant that is unique and fascinating. His name, Indian mulberry, in Indonesia is known as Noni. If it's still not clear, please leave a message in the comments column, like and share if you like this video. Thank you for faithfully watching my video. Hopefully it's useful, and see you again in the next video. Greetings from Eastern Indonesia.